Grabe, pasok talaga yung mga sobra. I think this is the first piece na we were allowed to yung choreograph talaga freely.
What was the reason behind it?
Wala si Michelle nun, at saka si Ken. Si Ken, choreographer natin. Parang
Ken was in Canada.
Yeah.
So may nag-invite yung CADS. And I think idea ni Lemay na parang let's do something different.
highlights.
Na parang ayoko nang ulitin yung mga pyesa pero wala si Ken.
Yeah.
So let's do something different.
Actually, doon nagsimula dahil wala si Ken, parang hindi tayo kumpleto. So parang, gawa na lang tayo ng kanya-kanya para mas mabilis yung pyesa.
Yun.
Parang gano'n.
Yun talaga yun.